Good evening, Lily. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Lily. How's it going?
Good.
Lily, it's the end of the week. Last week you told me you were going to Jeju Island. Did you go to Jeju Island?
Yes,
How was it?
it was good.
So, what did you do when you went to Jeju Island? Did you go to the beach? Did you maybe surf? What did you do at Jeju?
Hmm. It was windy, so I played in hotel.
Okay, so you stayed at the hotel and it was too windy. Was it raining outside?
Sometimes.
Rain and wind, so the weather wasn't good.
Yeah.
It was warm, but you couldn't go to the beach. Okay, so could you at least go to the swimming pool at the hotel?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, good. And then this week, Lily, what's happening with your speech? The speech about the environment. What's the latest on that? Do you know
I
when
have the final speech.
do you know when you are doing the speech, when you will present it?
July 18, 19. I
July
don't know.
18 or 19. Isn't that next after 1 week, after 1 or 2 weeks? All right, good. So how far along are you with your speech? Did you start memorizing or how far along are you?
Memorizing.
Memorizing. Can you say I am busy memorizing the speech?
I'm busy memorizing the speech.
All right, good. Lily, today's class, we're going to jump into the news articles. Is there anything you want to ask, anything you want to say before we start?
No?
Okay, let's start. First article today is about a pet rat. Oh, Lily, don't you have essay exams coming up? So when I think of essay exams, I always think of after the exams, the vacation. How is your exam preparation going? I think maybe you are writing in July. Are you writing in July?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the preparation? Have you started studying?
Yeah. Oops.
Okay. Let's see here this pet rat. What is it doing?
Riding a taxi.
It's riding a taxi. It's not a real taxi, it's a remote control car. Lily, did you ever have a remote control car? Did you ever play with one?
Yes. Maybe.
So, your remote control car, what if you put Coco in your remote control car?
Coconut.
Maybe Coco will not stay in the car.
Yeah.
So when I was your age, Lily, I had a remote control car and I had a hamster. I had a pet hamster. My hamster's name was Ben. What do you think Ben was short for? It's a longer name, but his short
Uh,
his short name was Ben. What do you think the long name was?
Ben.
Yes. So
Benny.
Benny. Actually, Benny would be the nickname for Ben. So his name was Benjamin. Benjamin. And I would do exactly this, Lily. I would put Benjamin inside my remote control car and I would drive around. Because then I can kill two birds with one stone.
Huh? You killed a bird?
So I can do two things at the same time. I can play with my pet and I can play with my toys. So that's killing two birds with one stone. Can you say for me? Kill two birds with one stone. Oh wait, you are busy.
Killed two.
You are you are chewing. I didn't see what you are eating. It looks like, I don't know. It looked like long. What is that?
I don't know.
You
it's
don't-
like it's a bread inside with pizza stuffs.
Pizza stuff. Okay, like pizza toppings, like ham and tomato. And that is inside bread. How did they put that inside the bread? The bread looks. Wait. Let me make it bigger.
My mom caught it.
Can you show one more time? Oh, I see. Okay, very cool. Did your mom make it, or is it from the restaurant? From takeout?
Restaurant,
From takeout?
I think.
All right. Lily, let's read here, find out more about this rat.
Pets, rats driving tiny cars light up Instagram after Canadian couple's adoption.
Okay, where is
Why
this?
is the hamster this big?
Say again?
Why is the hamster so big?
So this one is not a hamster. This one is a rat. My pet was a hamster.
Ah,
This one is a rat. But Lily, that's how big they are. They are about that big. They are the size of your hands.
it looks so big.
Now, where is the owner from? The owner of the rat.
Canada.
Can you make a sentence for me? Where are they from?
They are from Canada. Canada.
That's the one. They are from Canada. So Lily, you can say they are Canadian or they are from Canada.
They are from Canada.
Okay, what's the other sentence using this word? Canadian. They are Canadian.
They are Canadian.
Yeah, so it's they are Canadian, they are from Canada. And what did they do? They adopted. They adopted. What's wrong, Lily? Oh, you are clearing your throat.
Yes.
I thought you were laughing, so that's why. Why? What is funny? Okay, this rat was adopted. Lily, what does adopted mean? They rescued. Saved, yes. They rescue it from the animal shelter. They help the animal shelter by taking the rat and taking care of it. And they help the rat because they give the rat a better life. Adopt. And then Lily, they put it in the remote control car. They started taking a video. Can you say for me? They took a video.
They took a video.
And what did they do with the video, Lily?
They light up in the Instagram.
What does that mean? Light up in Instagram.
Put on the Instagram.
Okay, can you explain to me what is Instagram? Do you use it?
Instagram is a SNS, I think.
So we can.
Social network. Social.
So in English, when we can say social media. Social media. There is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This is all social media. I know in Korea many people say SNS, but when you are speaking to someone in English, you can say social media. It is a social network. We don't say SNS in English. So, what can you do on this social network Instagram? What is it used for? We can put pictures and videos. Pictures and videos. What's wrong?
I have a shelf. Looks like this.
Yeah,
Can you see?
I can see two cats there.
Yeah. Like this, I have things like that, and then I was trying to do like, I was like this, and I was trying to pull my hand out, and then
Oh, I see, you hit it by accident. All right, Lily. When you see this word here, light up is like an explosion. It becomes bright. From no light to lots of light. It lights up. So that means this video became very popular on Instagram. Light up, it became very popular. Now,
then the rat is famous.
exactly, the rat is famous because it had so many views. Actually, it had 2 million views on Instagram. 2 million. Lily, how many zeros is 2 million? How many zeros does 2 million have?
5?
No, 6.
2, 6. Yes, 6 because
6. So
yes.
let's write the number. I want to write this number here. What is that? Can you read that number for me?
2,000.
How about this number?
20,000.
Good. How about the next one?
200,000.
And then
2 million.
2 million. All right, good. What about if I tell you 9 zeros?
네. 1, 10, 100, 1000만, 10만, 100만, 1000만. 1억. 10억. 네. 1, 10, 100,
Okay, Lily,
1000.
I think we skipped. Actually, we skipped. Let's go in between. Let's go to this one.
10만,
1, 2,
100만,
3.
1000만.
So if this one is million, 2 million, what is this next one?
I can't. 2 million, 2 billion.
So the next one is 20 million. 20
Million.
million.
200 million.
Good. What is after 200 million?
2,000 million.
So 2000 million is called 2 billion. 2 billion. B with a B. So not million, but billion. B.
Wait. After 2.
Which one? Which one are you doing?
Wait then.
So can you say for me? 2 billion has 9 zeros.
Group.
What are you?
It says there Joe. I papagoed it.
Oh, what did you papago?
And it says there one group.
One group. Sorry, Lily,
Yeah.
can you explain again?
Billion? Trillion. Okay.
Oh, okay, so trillion. Yes, there is trillion, but trillion is after billion. So trillion will be how many zeros?
1, 10, 100, 2, 1000만, 100만. 1, 10, 100, 2. Why did I count like this? 1, 10, 100, 2.
Lily, do you want me to write? If we write it, it will be easier. Let's write it on the screen, yeah. So this one is 2 billion. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Billion. Then trillion will be the next.
Wait. That's 9.
9 is billion.
Billion?
9 is.
What are you talking about?
We are talking about the next 1,000. So that's 12
Trillion?
Trillion, yes. Trillion has 12
Wait.
zeros.
2.
Lily,
Okay.
oh, okay. I was wondering because you are counting in Korean. I can hear you are counting in Korean. Is it easier for you to count in Korean than English?
Yes.
What about if you are doing a math test in English? Are you thinking in Korean or are you thinking in English?
What math test? Like this things? Like this 200 billion like this?
Yes, with numbers. Math test with numbers, but the words are English. Maybe it's a word problem. The word problem says Lily has 5 candy and she eats 3 candy. What is your brain doing? Is your brain working in English or is it working in Korean?
English. And then if I don't understand, I do it in Korean.
Then you do it in Korean. That's so interesting for me because Lily, my home language is Bulgarian, but I don't think in Bulgarian. I think in English. I always think in English. Okay. So, this is the first article. We are done with this article. Lily, do you have any questions about this rat?
No.
Okay, let's go to our notebook. Do you have your notebook with you? And let's write today's date. Open to a new page, July 5th. What's wrong, Lily?
Pencil.
Pencil. Say, I am searching for a pencil.
I have to hunt for a pencil.
You have to what?
Whoa. I have to hunt.
I'll have to hunt.
Because I have pencils, but they're all not sharpened.
Yes, hunt means you have to look for it. You have to look hard for it. It's difficult to find. But that's okay. You have a sharpener. You can sharpen. All right, Lily, on your page, let's write July 5th. And the title will be Pet Rat. Now you are writing in your book. As you can see, I have opened up what?
11 labs.
What is that used for?
For audio file.
Good, for audio file. So, I want to write 3 sentences about this rat. You are going to write them in your book. I'm going to type them for the audio file. The first sentence is about where are they from? The owners. Where are the owners from?
The owners are from Canada.
Okay. And what if we use the word Canadian? Can you make a sentence using the word Canadian?
The owners are Canadian.
Good. All right. Let's write that one. It's shorter, it's easier. The owners of a rat are Canadian. Second question. Oh, okay. Tell me when you are finished writing.
Then
Okay. Second question. What did they do with the rat? What did they do with the rat?
they adopted a rat.
They adopted the rat and put it in a remote control car. Lastly, what did they do while the rat was... Okay, sorry. I always go too fast.
Sorry. I almost closed down the laptop.
I'm glad you didn't. And Lily, the last.
Yes.
I need to learn to wait for you. I'm too rushing.
Yes, you can go on.
Okay. So the last thing we want to mention about the video and Instagram and 2 million views. What sentence can we write to explain that?
I don't know.
I am changing what I hear from you, and you are reading what I change. And we're going back and forth. Okay, so the owners, well, let's write, they took a video and put it on Instagram. The video got how many views?
2 million views.
2 million views. Done. Tell me when you are ready.
The owners of a rat are Canadian. They adopted the rat and put it in a remote control car. They took a video and put it on Instagram. The view got 2 million views.
Oh, there's a mistake in this. Did you hear the mistake?
Wait, they took a video and put it on the Instagram?
No. After that.
What
go,
they
go.
say, or we write the wrong thing?
Yeah, I wrote the wrong thing. After Instagram. It's after Instagram.
The view got 2 million views.
The view got 2 million. What is the view? It should be the video.
Ah.
The video got 2 million views. Right, Lily, how far are you with that sentence?
Video got
The owners of
You can go.
All right, so now we need to make the scene. Lily, for the scene, we need our character. The character is going to read this script. So please help me choose a character. Remember, we are going to have more than one scene. What do you think? Shall we have the same character for the different scenes or different characters?
That was a girl voice, right? So
It's a girl voice, but it can also pass for an animal like a shark. It can pass for a child. Let's see if there's any children here. Yeah, here's children here. So it can pass for children or a woman or a flower. But Lily, our video is talking about what? It's talking about rats. It's talking about cars. It's talking about Instagram.
I want that. Truffles, it says there. Because they're both animal. I think. Or we can find a rat. No,
Yeah.
that will be weird.
So what if we made a news report? So this video is like a news report. So we need to find a news reporter. The news reporter is going to talk about that. So here is a news reporter. Let's see. I actually like this child. But you decide. You decide.
Can you choose a girl? I mean, not a girl and a boy. I mean, what was that thing?
Not
Children or a adult?
children or adult. Do you want me to choose?
Yes, then I'll choose the character.
I will choose children.
Okay. Then I think down is like maybe we can go up.
Okay, here are some kids. Javi, Livy, River.
Okay, I'm gonna choose from here.
Yeah, choose from here. Jocelyn. Jocelyn's pretty.
Where's Jocelyn?
At the top, the blonde girl at the top.
Oh, we used that last week.
Oh, yeah, we did.
We can use Judy.
Judy, where is Judy? Judy. Oh, at the
I
bottom.
think that's Judy.
Okay, there we go. Right.
That looks the exact same.
It's just a different color hair.
Yeah.
All right. What do we do now, Lily? What's the next step?
Import the audio.
Import the audio. So now
They're
the
lip sync.
lip syncing. Good. Lip syncing means the character and the audio will match. Lily, at the concert, if you ever go to a music concert, sometimes if you hear people say they are lip syncing, that means they are just moving.
They're not singing.
They're not singing. They're just moving their mouth to the music. That is also called lip syncing. So
That's cheating.
that's cheating. Yeah, that's lying. All right.
But if someone goes to the audition and then they lip sync, what happens?
If they go to an audition, maybe they cannot lip sync. There's no background music if you go to an audition. You have to project your voice.
No, but there's like the. Wait, it's called in. Like the thing, like the what do you call the? It's like I have to sing, but there's like the background music thing. Know
So
what I mean?
if there is a background music, then I can just move my mouth and pretend that my mouth is matching the background music. There is audio in the background music. There is people singing in the background, and I'm just moving my mouth and I look like I'm singing. So this is the cheating. This is the lip syncing. Is that a snake in your hair?
Yeah.
All right. Lily, we're going to try go a little bit faster in the next class. I understand it's difficult what we are doing, but we will try compact it into so we can do another one. Lily, is there any questions before we say goodbye until I see you later?
No.
Okay. I will see you after 30 minutes.
Bye bye.
Bye, Lily.